Everyone rejoice! You can now animate the UDEM2 or the position and size value of UIs now. No, this is not a trick. You can actually animate this. So, as you can see, I can scrub through this timeline and it would accurately do it. So if I slow down, the animation will slow down, right? Now, I just want to say this is like something I just did right now. You guys are free to like test this out and whatever, but I'm not ready to open this to the public, but I would love to see how you guys can test this thing out. Now, how did I do this? Well, I have this plugin I have called Add Property on Moon, and it is this like tiny thing. And what you can do is, well, let's say you want to have a a animation or like you want to have a property that is not included inside of Moon Animator, right? Something you can't animate in Moon Animator. What you do is, let's say server storage. No, not server storage. Let's go with something is screen GUI, right? Yeah, okay. So let's animate the display order, right? And what you do is you type in the property display order, and then you click on this arrow, and it'll show display order number screen GUI. So it'll recognize the property type of what it is and what the instance type is. And what you can do is you go here, and you can go to test UI, and you can now animate the display order because previously you could not animate this, and you can add this. Now, functionally, this does nothing, but you can now animate whatever you want with this, which is kind of fine, right? Now, going back to the UI animations. This is how I did it. I added in the size and position values just that you can now animate this, right? Now, I will say this seems to be functioning fine, but I will warn you. Like, if you click on the keyframes, sometimes it doesn't have all of it. Like you can it just simply does not like cover all of it because this string is too long. It just like limit as to how long the string is. So that's kind of a problem there. That being said, you can double click on this. No, not this. You can double click on some of these. Yeah, man. Yeah, double click on some of these, like the size here, and you can actually adjust this. So let's make this just tiny, right? Make it just 1, right? And then if you play the animation, it will adjust the animation like this. So it can work. We're kind of halfway there. The UI could do a little bit more work because right now, how it does it is a bit unwieldy. Well, not unwieldy. It's just like it's kind of screws up how like its numbers are because you don't see the full value, and that's not going to be good. So to just so if you guys want to play this, I'll leave the link. I'll leave the RBXM file there. You guys can test it out. Give me some feedback, and hopefully maybe we can get 6 to implement this change, because this is what the code looks like. And I had to do some kind of hacky stuff. I had to use hook values to work this as a plugin. I did not touch any of the base versions of any of the code Source Scrolls of the Moon. I just had to use like the plugins for this. But hopefully you guys can have fun with this. All right, see ya.